Gaming session at risk because of the X3D Audio 13 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Quickly resolve X3D Audio 13 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This DLL file is an updated DirectX 3D audio library. It provides optimized mathematical functions for positioning sound sources in a virtual environment, supporting surround sound configurations for games. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The X3D Audio 13 DLL is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the X3D Audio 13 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like the X3D Audio 13 DLL. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including the X3D Audio 13 management references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex X3D Audio 13 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.